in the heart of the wilderness. The mighty grizzly bear roams, a symbol of strength, resilience, and the untamed beauty of nature. The grizzly bear, with its muscular build and distinctive hump, is one of North America's most formidable predators. These giants of the forest can weigh up to 800 pounds, yet they move with surprising agility and grace. Grizzly bears are omnivores with diverse diets ranging from berries and roots to fish. Their strength and sharp claws make them expert foragers, able to fish, dig, and even hunt when opportunity arises. Grizzlies are solitary by nature, but their lives are full of fascinating behaviors. From a mother teaching her cubs survival skills, to a lone bear marking its territory with powerful roars and displays. Adapted to diverse environments, from dense forests to alpine meadows, grizzly bears are built for survival. Their thick fur protects against the cold, while their limbs enable them to navigate rugged landscapes with ease. As the sun sets over the vast wilderness, the grizzly bear fades back into the shadows, a guardian of the untamed lands. Majestic, powerful, and ever resilient, these giants remind us the raw beauty and strength of nature. Thank you for joining us in exploring the world of grizzly bear. If you enjoyed this journey into the wild, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible wildlife stories.